Walker Kaping with Nuss Truck and Equipment here, and today we're showcasing a brand new Mack Pioneer in a day cab configuration with full chassis fairings. Everything about this truck was designed with fuel efficiency and aerodynamics at the forefront of the build. You'll notice the iconic Mack Bulldog is countersunk into the hood, allowing for less wind resistance on the hood ornament. The Mack lettering was moved from the center of the grille to the bottom of the grille to allow the truck to cool better. We have the Brooklyn Bridge style cross members on the grille. We have 24-volt LED headlights, fog and cornering lamps, and you'll notice the curved and sloped windshield to improve fuel efficiency and aerodynamics. Now it's time to go underneath the hood. On the previous Anthem model, we had hood straps, and that design had been part of the industry for a long time. On the Pioneer model, the hood lever is in the cab underneath the steering wheel, similar to your car. We have a functional hood ornament lever, and it opens up pretty easy. This truck is equipped with an MP13. It's similar to the MP8. Mack made a few major improvements on this engine model. What they did was shorten the piston and lengthen the rod, allowing for less crank angle, allowing for the engine to work less hard and improving fuel efficiency. This truck is equipped with command steer, allowing you to effortlessly turn the wheel with the spin of one finger. And this truck has a 12-speed mDRIVE transmission. This updated mDRIVE shifts 30% faster than the previous model. On the side of the truck, one major change that Mack made is we went from a 12-volt system to a 24-volt system. When we open the chassis side fairing, we have a battery box with 6 batteries in there. What Mack was able to achieve by going from a 12-volt system to a 24-volt system was they were able to shorten the wiring harnesses, allowing it easier to work on and cheaper to replace. We have a DEF access door here and a radar for lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring. On the fuel tank, we have 2 steps with a grab handle for easy access to your catwalk. One of my favorite features about this truck is the rear-facing backup camera. The backup camera faces your 5th wheel plate. Super convenient for backing up to a trailer. It is also equipped with a control module that will allow you to plug in 7 cameras if your trailer is equipped with it.